Welcome to part 8 of building a tiny house under 5,000. And in the past videos you saw, we built the bottom framing. And now we have to actually insulate and put the OSB sheet that's going to be bottom floor on this building. But before that, we have to also put all the plumbing because that's going to go between the insulation. And welcome to all the new people who have just subscribed to watch this series. A lot of new people have joined this channel, which is a big welcome to you, and hope you're enjoying the videos. So let's get started and do the plumbing first. Okay?
Yeah.
Where was it?
Here.
Ah, so we need to shorten this. Two different browns really makes a difference.
And this one we need to cut.
That's a rough marking. Of course, sink is like this much space, so it's as long as you get it somewhere in there.
Yeah, I don't think we cut
You
it.
make
Just leave it.
good. This is more or less middle.
Yeah, leave it longer and then we just mess around. Okay. That is one side done.
Not quite.
No?
Let's go up, I think. So as you can see, we have finished the pipes, and with the help of neighbors, they provided us few missing pieces, such as the shorter pipes and few corners. Since I kind of underbought a bit, I did not calculate it exactly in my mind. I didn't have it built into my plans, which would have made it a lot easier, but I would need to design all of this, which would take a lot of hours. So I think it's pretty good. We have it all in correct places, and we're going to do a simple water test. Just drop some water in all the pipes and just to see if they end up in here, and to be guaranteed that they all are at correct level before they're all hidden away forever and never to be seen. So let's test out the pipes quickly and move on probably with the rock wall. Check.
Yeah, coming on.
I think it's pretty instant.
Yeah, it's coming up. Whatever you put it.
Ah, that looks funny.
Okay.
It's a bit harder to insulate than going straight in. So as you can see behind me, we have finished all the plumbing and the water for the tiny house, and we brought one OSB sheet because we were trying to think if we need more support in the in-betweens, but we decided that we don't. And then after a lot of thinking and figuring around and moving the OSB sheet everywhere, we did not film that part because that was annoying, but after rethinking the whole thing, we came to a conclusion of how we want to do it the most efficient and practical way and less waste material way. David said that he should have gone with the original plan. He did cut down, as he mentioned in the past video, the middle woods. There were supposed to be 7 with 60-centimeter gaps. That would be perfect for the OSB to go on. Then we cut it down to save wood, not realizing why David did it at the start for the OSB sheet. Anyways, we have it figured out. But before we get on and do the framing for the bottom floor for the sidewalls to go on, we want to do it now because we had some other plans. You will see as we go. Okay, so that all the way through, like around? All the way around. Okay,
Perfect.
Good enough. We need to make stairs pretty urgently because I don't feel like climbing up every time.
Perfect.
What are you doing?
Putting
Wait,
it down.
don't put it down.
I take that. We are moving there.
Dead end. Let's do that end.
Are you the laser?
I am. And it feels bad. This is some bad wood.
You can leave them here.
Huh?
You can leave them here. We'll continue over.
Oh yeah, we do. Maybe.
Okay, 6 more woods. What was it?
56 and a half.
Okay, 6 more woods, and then the bottom is done.
All done.
All done. Well, now let's cut the top woods, and then we're good.
Is it raining tomorrow morning?
Nope.
So we're good for
I'm
morning.
gonna
or do we
check. I'm
cover it?
gonna check the weather before we go to sleep, and we'll assess the situation from there. But for now, we're done.
So as you can see, we are done. We have put all the framing that's actually going to support the wall. So now we're properly ready for the insulation and the OSB. We also wanted to insulate under these frames because of course these frames cover it up, but we are not attaching them for now. We are going to do the insulation tomorrow all in one go. So it's also making sense with the wind barrier. So it's also going to be a membrane on top here. So it's fully like a sealed layer, like a sandwich. So no air goes from inside the inside hot air or also outside cold air. So we're making a full-on like double sealed barrier. But I think that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and we're going to see you in the next episode. We're going to get on and probably do the floors and insulation. So it's going to be already one level of this thing done. So the plumbing was the hard one. The water still needs to be done, but the floors are up next. Bye-bye.
Okay, well, the day's not over for us. We gotta bale, so you might see some baling clips, and that's gonna be it.
Yeah, let's get on with baling.
Can't see me, but those are the last 13 bales. We did it. We flipping did it.
It barely fits in this house.
We got 120 plus 13, so that is a lot of bales we did in like 3 hours. We are masters, you know that?
Yeah, monsters.
Nothing can stop us. Like, we push through anything. Last one, baby. But not for the season. We still have a lot to cut. But getting it done. Whew, I'm done. I think we'll leave the tractor here. Have a good night. Ooh, look nice.